Hi y'all! Guess what? I just got a package! It's a fucking huge package. Now we're gonna see what's inside. Woo! Gotta be careful with this baby. Ooh, look at it slide. Nice. Lady, you shush. Okay. Dave, you're good. I know what it is. Oh, she's beautiful. Ooh, come on, lift you up. She's thick. God damn, Dave. You know how to invest in your women. She's thick. Ooh.
Oh, God.
Okay. Whoop. I don't know what that was. Wait, potion.
Oh my God, she's headless.
I know! He sent me a headless girlfriend. Going in the box. I feel so spoiled. Damn, Dave treated me good. Okay. Let's see what's in this box here. Gotta be gentle. Thank goodness for box kettles. Here we go. No. My friend sent me his business card.
Nice.
I know, he's so professional. I love him. Here we go. Oh! It's nice. And she got earrings. Oh, that's a nice head. Look at this. Okay, y'all, we're gonna see what's in this bag. We need sort of double oil. Thank you. Got a little pink wig. That's so nice. Yep, wig cap. And I got some jewelry. Oh, look like that broken. Damn. We got a bracelet. Excuse the mess, y'all, but this is all her stuff. And here she is. My beautiful Goth girlfriend. Say hi, Dahlia. I mean, she can't speak much, but you get the deal. She's my girlfriend, and I love her. Just look at her. She is so gorgeous. Thank you, Davecat. Thank you for this wonderful gift. You're the best.